just like the seasons, they come and go. I don't understand the reason. I thought I knew you, I was mistaken. Said you were sorry, but my heart is still aching. And I'll wait to hear you. Yeah, I'll wait. You're aiming at my heart. All your words come easy, and I know you play it smart, but say it like you mean it. And I'll wait just to hear you. Yeah, I'll wait. You said that love would be our guidance, any direction, but all I hear is silence. So give me something I can hold on to, 'cause I've been drifting, not knowing where I run to. So I'll wait to be near you. Yeah, I'll wait. You're aiming at my heart. All your words come easy, and I know you play it smart, but say it like you mean it. And I'll wait just to hear you. Yeah, I'll wait. Know when to listen, knowing when to speak, know when I suffer and my heart is feeling weak. Know every teardrop, all because of you. Every word I say is true. You're aiming at my heart. All your words come easy, and I know you play it smart, but say it like you mean it. Yeah, I know you play it smart, but say it like you mean it. And I'll wait just to hear you. Yeah, I'll wait. You got the scars to prove it, of all the setbacks in your life. You don't know how to do it and how you're gonna stay alive.